Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to explore movies that recently came out or that will come out soon on the Netflix application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should select the profile that you would like to use. So just tap on the relevant avatar. Now tap on the new and hot icon down below, which is the second option. As you can see at this page, there are the coming soon section. So there are dates in the left side of the screen, and you can browse through these films that are on their way. You can even set a reminder if you are interested in one of them, so just tap on the bell icon. So Netflix will send you a reminder of this movie, and you can see more information about that TV show or movie that you are interested in by tapping on the info button or icon. So you can even watch the trailer of the movie, read a brief plot, or you can see the cast as you tap on the more icon. You can see the cast and the genre of the movie. By going back to the previous page and scrolling up to the screen, you can see that there is a everyone's watching section, meaning that at this page you can see the most popular series or movies. If you scroll to the right side of the screen, you can even explore TV shows that are on the top 10 list. If you scroll down, you can see movies as well, the top 10 movies on Netflix. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.